funky.
Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a simple shirt on any computer device. Yes, this includes MacBook. As you can see, I am clearly not on a MacBook, but I do know this does work on MacBook. Let me know in the comments what other videos I should do. Anyways, let's get started. So first off, you're going to want to have premium. If you only want to make one shirt, then just get the $5 one and then cancel it. Then once you have premium, come down here to the blue open image button and click it. Then select your shirt template. I will have a link in the description for the shirt template, or you can search one on Google. Okay, so after you have your template on the right, come down to the plus and click it. Then click empty on the far left side. Now that you have your new layer, go on the left and click the square with dotted lines. This is a marquee tool. Now, select the top part. If you want to make a crop top, put it right below the word front. After you are done with that, go to the left and click the bucket tool. Then you are going to select your color and click inside the box. If you want to select a different color, then click the top circle and pick what color you want. Now to deselect the square, press Ctrl+D on your keyboard at the same time. Now repeat with the sleeves. This is completely optional, but if you would like an image, then on the very top bar select image. This should bring a drop down. Now select open image as new layer, and select your image and resize to your liking. Right now I am going to add mine. Once you have done that, we need to make the neck hole. To do that, select the marquee tool on the left again, but on the top bar click the circle instead of the square. To make it easier to select the neck hole, uncheck the second layer. Then, while holding the Shift key, create the neck hole over the word up. Make sure you are on the shirt layer. Then hit Delete or Backspace on your keyboard and check the checkbox on the shirt layer. Okay, now your shirt is finally done. Make sure you hide the background layer. To export it, press Ctrl+S or go to File on the top bar and click the Save option. It should bring up this little box that allows you to name the file. Go ahead and name it and click Save. Now it should actually save to your device. Now, go on to Roblox, click Develop on the top. Go into My Creations or Group Creations and select Shirts on the left bar. Now select your file and name the shirt and upload it. If you are unsure of how to put it on sale, there are plenty of other videos out there. I will link some in the description too. Here is the final product. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you found this the tiniest bit informative or helpful, please hit subscribe and turn on notifications. It only takes a second and you can always change your mind. Let me know in the comments what other tutorials you'd like to see. Bye bye.